Hey guys, so today we'll be working on something a little bit different, but as you can see, it is still within the home decor realm, but it's involving my computer desk. I thought it would be okay to leave my keyboard and my mouse on the desk itself. Yes, my mouse is on a book. I'm real bootleg like that. But then I started to understand why there's paddings typically under this area, and my desk is starting to get a little scratchy. I don't like that. I will admit I almost went ahead and just purchased one, but since I work with leather, I decided to make my own leather desktop padding. You can use this same design for any surface area, whether it be placemats for your dining room table, the tops of your dressers, coffee tables, literally like the options are limitless. Additionally, you can make different shapes, sizes. It is completely up to you. So yeah, let's get started. So for today's project, we're going to use this Herman Oak Veg Tan leather. This is a 4 to 5 ounce strap cut, which is perfect because this is the exact dimension that I wanted for my desktop padding. Now you don't have to do a desktop padding. You could do play sets for your table. I mean, the options are limitless. You really just have to step outside the box and think of something creative that you could use for your home. I'm doing a desktop padding because, as you saw, my keyboard and my mouse have nothing to sit on. I literally just have desk. Veg Tan is perfect for so many different things, especially when you just stick with the natural veg tan. So whether you wanted to add paint, splatters, designs, write on it, do something crazy, creative, and amazing, you're able to do that with veg tan. So for my veg tan, because it is a 4 to 5 ounce, which is the perfect weight for my padding, I didn't want to just leave it like this and have it flimsy and just throw it on the desk. I mean, that's easy. However, I decided to put a piece of cork on the bottom. The cork material will just add a nice layer of stability. Also, when I start to work on the edges and do a little bit of edge treatment, I am gonna snip off the corners a little bit, kind of make it look like an actual design, not like I just cut a piece of leather and put it down on my desk. But when I start to work on the edges, I want it to be a really nice stable piece with, you know, a little bit of padding to it. Not much, but something. So this is the thickness of our cork piece. It's literally like a 1/4 inch of thickness, but it has this nice adhesive backing. So all I'm gonna do, this is the exact same measurements of my piece of leather. So I'm just gonna adhere this to the bottom of my leather, work on these edges a little bit, and then sew a nice stitch line going around to make it actually look like a design, not like I just threw a strip of leather somewhere, like my cork just threw itself on the ground. Let me get that. This is a quick, easy DIY project. So yeah, let's finish this up. I decided to emboss the name of my second business into my piece just to give it a little branded feel. I'm using my hot stamping machine from Weaver Leather. I usually use this to do foiling, but I wanted just something really clean. Now, once you have added anything that you would like to your piece, then you can go ahead and take your cork backing and apply that to your piece. Okay, so I just finished up all of my edges, rounding my edges out. Honestly, I thought I would have to do some type of edge treatment, but the edges are so smooth and nice. I'm just gonna leave them like that. But as you can see, our desk padding is already taking shape. But because I feel like it's a little plain, I'm just gonna add a nice white stitch line around the edge, and that really completes our project. This is a quick, easy DIY project utilizing some very inexpensive but quality leather. I already love it. It's taking shape. I might even do a coaster to go with it, but I will have to treat the coaster to waterproof it as much as I can. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and head over to my sewing machine and give this a nice stitch. If you prefer, you can also hand stitch this going around. Either way, I feel like is a really effective way. And just like that, our computer desk padding is complete. Super easy. I love it. It just really complements the space. Honestly, it looks so much better. And my mouse needs it. The book needed to be retired. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this project. Catch you on the next one. Peace.